Hey guys, what's going on? Arthur Early here. And in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually show you a way to get started making money online if you're low on cash. Alright, so a lot of time, we have, opportunities that we want to get involved in online, but we don't have the necessary capital to get started. So I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to get started making money online that you could start and do this today. Super easy, and also to show you that making money online is real and it's not a scam. So the first thing that you want to do, okay, is you want to go to Craigslist, right? From wherever you're at. Then down here where it says for sale, you got to go to where it says free. Click on free and you got to see a lot of stuff, guys. A lot of stuff in your area, right? You have exercise equipment, a monitor, no stand, tables, desks, chairs. These are all things that people put on Craigslist that they're giving away for free. All you got to do is go and pick it up. Look at this, Thesaurus Dictionary. Look at this, a free china cabinet. It's too big for the house. Just come and get it out of my house. Just take it. It's free. No problem. Couches, chairs. There's a lot of stuff that people are actually going to give away. All you need to do is go and pick it up, right? So then the next thing you got to do, guys, play close attention, right? You got to go over to Facebook, right? And you got to go to where you got to type in up here marketplace. As you can see right here, Facebook has a marketplace. So what you got to do in Facebook's marketplace, as you can see here, boom, this is where people are selling stuff in your local area. All right, clothes, shoes, electronics. All right, so boom, check it out, right? So let's just say you go back over to Craigslist and you see this, like I was going to show you guys, this nice kitchen cabinet, right? On Facebook, you go down over here and you can see a tab for furniture. You could list this on Facebook Marketplace. You could go pick it up. It's free. Put it on Facebook. Sell it for $50, $80, $100, whatever you want to sell it for. There you go, guys. You see how simple and easy using this free tactic was? Okay. I have a lot more tactics for you guys. All right. So what I want you to do is go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. I got a lot of videos that I'm going to be sharing with you guys coming up in the near future. So once again, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.